Welcome to our What's New in SOLIDWORKS 2019 series. I'm Connor, and I'm going to take you through some of the new capabilities in CAM. SOLIDWORKS CAM 2019 offers some great new features that will help you reduce the time it takes to program your part. Configurations in SOLIDWORKS CAM enable you to define multiple manufacturing setups within a single part or assembly. 2 configurations, each containing a unique set of manufacturing operations, have been defined in order to machine the front and rear flanges of this camera mount part. Switching configurations to setup 1 reorients the part and changes the operations tree to display only the operations unique to this setup. To finish programming the camera mount, we're going to make some changes to the contour milling operation for the outer faces. As the straight tool gets to the bottom of the part, there's a risk that the shank will touch some of the faces at the top that were machined earlier in the operation, spoiling the surface finish. SOLIDWORKS CAM 2019 adds new taper and neck options for the non-cutting portion of the tool. For this operation, we'll change the type to neck and then specify the size of the tool neck, followed by the tool holder. As sizes are inputted, the preview of the tool updates in the graphics area, showing the new tool and holder shape in relation to the part, so you can now predict the final result with improved accuracy. Another enhancement in 2019 is the addition of the new corner slowdown option. By enabling corner slowdown, you can vary the feed rate based on distance, resulting in increased tool life and improved surface finish. NC programmers using multiple machine tools can now take greater advantage of SOLIDWORKS CAM's automation capabilities. The technology database now provides you with the option to define multiple machining strategies and assign them to a specific machine. The remaining features of this camera mount are going to be machined using a 4-axis rotary table. 3 different sets of machining strategies have already been predefined in the database, including one for a 4-axis rotary table. Selecting the 4-axis rotary set displays a list of unique features and operations. We'll go ahead and make a couple of changes by setting the rectangular corner slot and the circular boss to use rough, finish, edge break operations, then saving the update to the overall strategy set. After switching to view the properties of the 4-axis machine tool, the 4-axis rotary strategy can be chosen as its default machining strategy. By using this machine in combination with SOLIDWORKS CAM's automatic feature recognition, an optimized set of operations can be automatically generated. SOLIDWORKS CAM 2019 also adds some great productivity enhancements for creating everyday machining operations. For example, new options to control hole start and end position provide much greater flexibility when you're defining drilling operations. Now, you can set an offset to feed in from a specific distance and drill to a specific position regardless of feature size, eliminating the need to create any extra construction geometry. When having to meet strict tolerance requirements, it's often necessary to have to offset the position of a toolpath in relation to the model geometry. In SOLIDWORKS CAM 2019, you can now change the position of machine features using the new Move command. Features can be moved in X, Y, and Z, making it easy to machine to mid-tolerance without the extra rework that's often necessary. Working with the new features in SOLIDWORKS CAM 2019 will help you improve output quality and will reduce the time required to generate NC programs. To recap, SOLIDWORKS now supports multiple machining strategies. NC programs are easier to produce. We have greater control over hole end conditions, and we can machine to mid-tolerance, amongst other enhancements.